What is up, guys? Welcome back to CheatedDeathFabrication. My most recent customer drove over 6 hours to drop off his Land Rover Discovery 1 for a front bumper, a safari rack, a rear bumper, as well as a spare tire gas can carrier. Build specifics aside, this Discovery 1 is absolutely immaculate. The body is in great condition. The paint looks amazing. From what he's told me, this thing has absolutely no rust. And for the most part, it's pretty much stock. The first thing I'm going to start with is going to be the front bumper. So I'm going to pull this in and work on removing this brush guard here, taking these lights off, and then removing the original bumper. Looks like these are mounted to the frame, and coincidentally enough, this is also the bumper mount, which means it all gets bolted on right here. So I need to remove these and those right there. And then I can get the brush guard off, take these bolts out, and then that should slide right out. I'm gonna have to disconnect those lights there, and then that little mount right there. And the tubing here goes onto this little spray nozzle for the headlights, because Land Rover. Eventually, he's going to get another set of lights to put on the bumper that I build. So I took both ends, I taped up each one, then I taped it together, and I'm just going to tuck it in here. That way, for when the time comes and he wants to put his new lights on, he can just reach in here and then rewire the new ones. Need to tread carefully because everything is mounted to those. So I need to be careful. Otherwise, I'm getting smushed. So I've removed these two already. These are just in there kind of loosely just to make sure that the brush guard stays on and the bumper. It took me a while to get this top one right here. The rest of them were easy. So I removed the hose connector that feeds the washer fluid into the two nozzles for the front bumper. I've also removed the side marker bulbs, and I'm going to tape those off and tuck them up under here. And now that everything's been removed, I have a blank canvas to work with. Since this bumper I'm building is going to be nearly identical to the one that I have on my Discovery 2, I'm going to skip the template process and go right to fabrication. The frame on the Discovery provides the perfect mounting points for the bumper from the manufacturer. We're going to use the original mounting points for the bumper in order to create the mounts for the new bumper. We're going to angle this a little bit upward, going up to here. The bumper is going to stick out 5 inches here and then come down another 5 inches. Here is the template for the frame mount for the bumper. This is angled out just a little bit from where I tacked it. I'm going to bring it in and make sure that we get a nice 90-degree angle right here. I'm going to get 2 of these pieces cut out, get them bolted on, and then we'll tack everything up here. So at this point, I've already welded the frame mount to the front of the bumper. I'm gonna get this bolted on exactly how I need it over here, and then I'll start the rest of the pieces that go here and over here. And there's the completed front bumper for the Land Rover Discovery 1. Now that the front is complete, I'm going to move to the back and start the rear bumper. I don't think I'm going to have enough time to be able to film and edit an entire video for the rear bumper, but I will be posting all of the process on Facebook and Instagram. If you want to follow the pages so you can see more consistent updates, you can find them right here. But after the rear bumper is complete, I will be building a safari rack, and that is one that I definitely want to record. As always, thank you guys so much for watching these videos and subscribing to the YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video.